Hello, and welcome to Storytime. I am your host, Miss Nisha. Today, we're doing a science series, and this science series is about endangered animals, provided by the World Wildlife Federation by Travis Schaefer, illustrated by Elijah Blakely. These are the endangered animals. We have a tuna fish, gorilla, polar bear, panda, tiger, elephant, dolphin, and penguin. And there's many more. Let's start with the Arctic animal, polar bear. Polar bear lives in the North Pole area. The North Pole is above Russia, Canada, Alaska, Iceland, Asia, and Greenland. Next, we have the panda bear. They live in a forest type area where it's full of bamboo. They eat bamboo. They live in Asia. Next, we have a tiger. The tiger are endangered because their home is being taken away from them, being chopped down from their trees and mowed down because of their land. So they have to find another home for their family to live. That's how they are being endangered. And they live in the grassy area of Africa, South America, and parts of Asia, as well as the India area, mostly like in the Asian areas. Next, we have the gorilla. Their homes are also being threatened, and they're also being endangered by hunters and poachers. They live in the jungle type areas, in the safari areas of Africa, South America as well. Then we have the elephants, the biggest animal on the planet. Well, that's on land, anyways. They're being hunted for their tusk because they use it for ivory, and their ivory are used to make jewelry and other things. So if you buy anything that's have ivory, make sure it's not been harmed by animals. They live in the African safari area, and their homes are also being threatened as well. Then we have the tuna fish. Like the tuna fish and all the other fishes that lives in the ocean, their homes are being threatened with trash, plastics, cans, and other things. So if you are littering and throwing things out the window, or if you walk out of the store and just do and you just do this, the wind takes it into the ocean. And fish and animals in the ocean suffocates on them and they die. So we need to pick up our trash and put it in the trash bins or in the recycling bins where it says recycle, and it has little pictures on it that says recycle. So we have to recycle cans, plastic like this. This is plastic, and it has a little symbol on it that says recycle on it. Some of them have symbols like this. Some have little triangles that has arrow symbols on it. You look on your bottle and it'll tell you to recycle. and you can take it to your local recycling area. So, to save our animal friends, we need to recycle. You recycle paper, plastic, tins, and cardboard. And we use paper plates or real plates. Never use styrofoam because styrofoams are really hard to recycle and get rid of. So you have to be very mindful. And you could also use paper or tin cans for fun things and make fun activities out of them. And I will find a link for you to use them, DIY links, and I will put them in the description down below where you could reuse and reduce and how to use things to save the ocean for our fish and friends. So we gotta be careful on how we use and recycle. And next is our penguin friends. Our penguins live not just in the Arctic, not just in the Antarctic. There's also some penguins that don't live in the cold area, like our African rock penguins. Yes, African rock penguins. They don't live in the cold. They live in some warm area and in the warm areas of South Africa. I learned that when we went on our little field trip, virtual field trip. So there's some penguins that do live in Africa that don't really quite live in the cold. So yeah, it's really cool. So our penguins are endangered too because again, our environment is getting very warm and where they live in the Arctic and the Antarctic, their ice is melting and it's breaking away and their areas is getting warmer. And some of them need the cold area, so we have to take good care of our environment. That's why we need to recycle, so we don't ruin our planet. And then the dolphin. Our dolphin friend is endangered. Again, just like the tuna fish, we have to take care of the ocean because they also are in need of our help. They get trash in there just like the tuna fish does in the ocean. If you don't cut up the little plastic rings when you get your sodas, they get trapped in their mouth and they won't be able to eat. Just like even like the little turtles. If you get the rings around their little fins, they won't be able to swim. So whenever you get the little plastic rings around your sodas, make sure you cut the rings out so you won't get them trapped. So you gotta take care of our ocean, friends. And also the whales. Gotta take care of the whales. The same thing. Just like the tuna fish and just like the dolphins, you gotta take care of the ocean. You got to recycle. And again, I will find the link and I will post them in the description down below on how to take care of our planet. The leopard. They also live in the African safari area. And they're being also hunted and killed for their fur. See how pretty their fur is? And that's what they're being killed for. And their homes being taken away as well. The sea turtle. You already know the story. Take care of our ocean. The sea lion. They also live in the ocean. Gotta take care of our ocean. These are our endangered animals. We gotta take care of them. We gotta make sure we take care of them and keep them safe. And do a good thing to help our environment. The end. Vocabulary time. We have endangered animals, the polar bear, the panda bear, tiger, gorilla, elephant, tuna fish, penguin, dolphin, whale, leopard, sea turtle, and sea lion. So for more science or other stories like this, please feel free to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notification. And like I said, I will put down the links in the description for you guys to check out ways to help save our planet and ways to recycle or reuse certain items and have fun in doing DIYs with recyclable items. So until next time, bye.